Hi friends, welcome to linuxhub.com shell scripting tutorial. In before section, we can see about what is shell, types of shell, and giving some introduction of shell scripting. Now we are going to see about how to write a simple shell script and how to use variables in shell script. Welcome to the section. To write a simple shell script is nothing but it executes the single Unix command which can be executed while executing the script. Let's see some examples. You can understand it. Open a new file simple.sh. In the file, first you have to give the shebang and then give any Unix command. I just give echo. This is shell script. After that, save the file and exit from the file. Now give execute permission to that file using a command chmod +x and then the file name. Now we execute this script. It shows the output of echo command. Let's see. To execute this script, use a command sh and then the script file name. It shows the output of echo. This is about a simple script. We can use any other commands other than the echo command. Let's change the script. Like if you want to create a new file, use the command touch in /opt /new file dot txt and then save the file and exit from the file. Now list for /opt is there is a one directory which is RH. Now execute the script. Now list the /opt. Here it's see a new file can be created, new file.txt. This is about a simple script. Okay friends, now move on to how to use variables in simple script. Okay friends, let's see about variables. Variable is nothing but a characteristic which we assign a value. A value assigned could be number, file, or file name, device, or any type of data. It is a pointer to actual data. Shell enables to create, assign, or delete the variables. Syntax to use a variables is variable name and then value of that variable. Variables are case sensitive. The variable name must be in uppercase. Okay friends, let's see some examples. Create a new file variable.sh. In scripting, first we have to use shebang. So I can add shebang. After that, now I'm going to use the variables. So I'm giving the variable name as var equal to script. This is my value. Now use any command. I use echo. I give the sentence as this is my shell and then use my variable. While get the value of the variable, you can use dollar symbol and then the variable name. After that, save the file and exit from the file. Now give the execute permission. After that, execute the script using sh command. Here see, it will give the value of variable. This is the shell script. Okay friends, let's see another method of using a script. Let's change some values in script. Now I choose, now I have give the curly braces because I am using some other strings after variable. So I using the curly braces to specify the variable. After that, save the file and exit from the file. Now execute the script variable.sh. Here see shell scripting is interesting. If you don't use the curly braces, it will not display the variables because it cannot understand it. Let's check it. If I remove the curly braces and then execute the script, here it didn't get the value of the variable because the script does not understand the variable name which can be used in the script. While using the string next to the variable name, you can use the curly braces. Okay friends, that's all about today's section. I hope this video will be informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.